Hey, Fun Fact Friday. It's Dr. Dave, Paragon Chiropractic. Here's something that's really cool with the holidays coming up and everything else. There's a simple product that's been around forever that will help probably fix many problems that will occur this holiday season. It's called baking soda. Baking soda can be used as an antacid. So when you're eating the pies and the cookies and all the food, you can use this baking soda. It'll get rid of heartburn, all sorts of stuff. You use it just a small amount, about half a teaspoon to about 4 ounces of water, brew it up, chug it down, and trust me, you're gonna really have gas. It's gonna go this way and that way. Baking soda is also really good for sore muscles. Like everybody, oh, I got a day off, I'm gonna go start jogging. Or exercise or something along those lines. And you can do baking soda periodically, and that gets rid of the lactic acid in the muscle tissue. I've heard people use it for menstrual cramps, where people have had trouble with menstrual cramps and use the baking soda. PMS. Those things would definitely wreck your holiday. At any rate. So baking soda is really good. I think that's all I wanted to say about that. It's great for the heartburn, getting rid of sore muscles, menstrual things, and stuff. Yeah, the end.